you would have seen something done by Burger King just yesterday. So Burger King, Leo Burnett has done this campaign for Burger King. They have used the brand ambassador very differently, making it seem like that the brand has surreptitiously taken him for endorsement. So there's a scenario where Hrithik Roshan is coming out, from and going to his vanity van, and suddenly they have put a poster of Burger King behind him, while paparazzi is clicking him, and it seems like that he's been had, and surreptitiously they have done that. It is not. It's a campaign only. But rather than doing straight up, so now people would be having conversations around it. I've spent some time at Publici, and we used to, Leo Burnett was so there, the lot of focus was on conversations. What can fuel these conversations? So once we did a campaign with Ranbir Singh, and we were launching the Philips LED, bulbs, we on our own released a surreptitiously short video. So we, like camera phone badly filmed, that kind of video we shot of our own set, as if it has got leaked, and we put it out as a leaked video. So that because what Ranbir was doing in that campaign was he was reprising Amitabh Bachchan's song Sara Zamana, and that costume that he wore with all the bulbs. So that was a very interesting idea that the creative team came up with, that if you are launching LED bulbs, what is the iconic image of bulb? Is Amitabh Bachchan dancing Sara Zamana wearing that bulb ka suit. Fantastic idea. It got approved straight up. And we did that campaign. But to make the campaign more interesting, we thought like Bollywood. Like they have all these affair stories when the film is going to come up, and there are these things. So I said, why don't we also say that somebody went and shot and we don't know? It's a leaked video. Let consumers start thinking about it, talking about it. So that's one stunt that we tried. So there are a lot of ways that you can use this influence, because you know how people will react, right? You can predict that to some extent, that if you have a leaked video, people will want to share it further, right? So you can use this influence, you can use this chatter to that advantage. And one of the brands that I was working at, Havas, Durex, uses that very, very well. So Durex will never do a campaign straight up. They'll start a debate, right? They'll have one celebrity tweeting something, then somebody else would reply to them. There'll be a conversation that's going around a topic, and then they come up with their campaign. So they did this. The most famous in this is the Mutual Climax campaign that they had done, and in which they talked about women faking orgasm, and that was the topic. They started that topic, and then they came with the product straight in the middle of all this heated discussion, and the campaign did quite well. So with you totally, this influence can be used. There are ways of using it. There are brands that are using it already. So and everybody should give it a thought that how would people react, and how can we get them on our side.